Whoops, my bad. And here's a table psych with the beach. It was born on the 25th week of 2000. Born on the 25th week of 2000. Whoa. Seen that throwing damage? Following previous chapter of all and motion pictures of America.
Those of you that have textbooks, please take them out.
You could burn some books. There aren't enough to keep us warm.
Follow me.
Taking them off campus?
There was no place to go on campus.
Call your union rep, you're suspended.
What?
We're supposed to study in a room that's freezing, and now you want to fire one of the few decent teachers still willing to work here?
You're both suspended.
What?
When you've never had a voice.
Jackson, come on, get these kids out of here.
What are you doing, man? Hey, explain.
I don't want no explanation.
All she wants is our teacher back.
When you've never been given a chance.
City.
Put that gun down now. You shot me in my leg.
It was an accident.
Let it go! Let him go!
This is Audrey McDonald with the New York City Police Department.
Until you step into the light.
Everybody's listening. What do you have to say? CNN.com. This all began because of the conditions of our school. We are not gang members as we've been portrayed.
2. Students must have a textbook for every subject. 3. Fix the window. 4. Repair all leaks.
5. Establish a career day. Stephanie Williams, National Dean's List.
Bad hair day. First 10 minutes, you made up in your mind who we were.
Everybody come check this out!
20th Century Fox presents Usher Raymond, Forrest Whitaker, Rosario Dawson, Judd Nelson, and Vanessa L. Williams.
What did we do it for?
You stood up and you hyped up this whole city.
This might give my little life some meaning.
Light It Up, directed by Craig Bulletin.
Following previous are all and motion pictures of America.
What do you suppose he's like, this King Moncur?
In a land of tradition.
Well, I suppose if he wishes his son to be tutored in the ways of the West, then we should be quite honored.
In a time of change.
May history mark this occasion as the first step towards forging an alliance between our two countries.
At the threshold of revolution.
There is a traitor marching on the palace.
Two worlds will collide. Nominated for 2 Academy Awards, 20th Century Fox proudly presents.
You claimed you wanted Siam to take its place among the modern world.
Reform is vital for my country's survival.
These are dangerous times, Your Majesty. Academy Award winner Jodie Foster and Chow Yun-fat star in the epic true story of a woman who changed the heart of a king and inspired the destiny of a nation. Anna and the King, rated PG-13, rented tonight.
Following previous are for all and motion pictures of America.
My mother made an amazing amount of noise when she ate her food. Sometimes I just couldn't stand her.
I'm not going to see your future as some nothing girl in nothing town. I have a job teaching in the Los Angeles school system.
You don't have a job in the Los Angeles school district.
I have an interview and a great outfit.
I miss Wisconsin.
Baby, nobody misses Wisconsin.
20th Century Fox presents Susan Sarandon.
Is that garbage? Did they throw out that furniture? Don't scratch the carpet.
She's crazy.
Now that we're in Beverly Hills, maybe you should change your name to Heather.
They look like they're going to the beach.
The intelligent girls are inside.
Golden Globe nominee Natalie Portman.
You look alike, you two.
No,
thanks.
no,
In the story of a mother and a daughter
We're like sisters.
holding on,
I want to go to college back east.
Over my dead body. Okay.
letting go,
I want to be on my own and you on your own.
It hasn't been perfect.
Well, I'm sure it's not easy for her either.
She's telling me that I have to let her go.
If I could just get the driver's license and registration, thank you.
and the life in between.
You're not having sex with anybody, are you?
Anywhere but here.
This is like being kidnapped. You don't understand that, do you?
God, I wish somebody had kidnapped me when I was your age.
So do I.
That's good. That's funny.
Coming to video. Following previous actor, Vaughn shoots in Motion Picture Association America.
They were from opposite sides of the tracks.
Richie Rich, that's your name, isn't it?
But they had one thing in common.
Meet me tonight.
Okay.
Stay away from Samantha. We don't have to hide. We can be together. The scout says a few things, but it's not real. We're real. Maybe better go, huh? Hey, I just got here.
Chris Klein, Lily Sobieski, Josh Hartnett.
I didn't expect you.
Here on Earth.
Soundtrack.
The Beach soundtrack, in stores now, featuring the #1 single from All Saints, Pure Shores.
Now on television.
After hundreds of dates, if you want a guy, you gotta go out and grab him. Millions of fantasies. And the Emmy for television's best comedy.
What have I missed? Sex.
Let's review where we are. I'd like you to walk a mile in her diaphragm.
Do you know how long it's been since I have met a genuine maybe? When I get to see him again. Any second he's in there showering.
What?
Kidding.
The following films and modified original version is formatted for your screen.